ruin the shot.
I did not. I'm putting it in my view.
One job. One job.
Shut up and just take the photo. I got you.
Stay up there.
My father-in-law has been rocking the action camera,
Wow.
attempting to vlog.
In the very loosest sense of the term. So this is kind of
until I get into the editing process.
And he'll cut 90% of what I say out.
So today we are out here exploring the Clarion tunnel and trestle. In the description, we will leave you a link to the proper place to park and properly explore this tunnel. Out here with my retired father-in-law, retired at the age of 56 and a half, but who's counting? Great age to retire, enjoying being out here with him today. And your thoughts?
Well, I have no idea how old it is, but with all that water and ice and everything else that's leaching through, it's pretty unstable. I wouldn't trust, I don't know. I'm not a big fan of walking in there. Pretty neat though.
Did you make it through?
Made it through. It's just sometimes you're just like, ugh. You know, you gotta fight those instincts to say, well, might not be a good idea. And I mean, the deterioration on that front, I mean, to me, it looks like any day that could go, you know, and you're just buried under tons of earth. But yeah, I mean, the tunnel itself, like in the midsections, looked like it was still in pretty good shape, you know.
So we're just out on the other side of the tunnel, train trestles right here behind us. Just some cool exploring today with my father-in-law, retired at the age, oh, I see you got your mic. There we go.
Hello, everybody.
You can talk.
Yeah, I got my mic.
But he's retired now as of 2 weeks and 1 day.
Yeah,
age 56.
I know.
56 and a half. At least I was like right there.
You're
I was
there.
like, man, I'm going to be way off on that.
Mm-hmm.
56, he's retired. What do you have to say about that?
Well, in a video a while back, I had a few days left. And one of the comments was, I can't believe, you know, at 24 days, I'd be ecstatic. But, you know, when you do the job you like and you meet a lot of really awesome people, and I mean, you know, the last 2 years was a business route, and I delivered for the post office. And it was a business route, got to meet a lot of really awesome people, learn about them a little bit, and that kind of interaction I miss. So, but, you know, now it's that chapter's closed, new chapter's opening up, we'll do a lot more exploring. Maybe explore Pennsylvania. How about that? Explore Pennsylvania, just find all these cool little things, you know, like this tunnel and some of the other interesting places we're gonna go this year, hopefully, and be able to check out. So, well, I'm looking forward to it. He's making it easy on me. He promises not to call me old man, at least for a while. Okay.
56 is a pretty, is that considered early retirement?
Oh yeah,
it's not super early.
Everybody's like, you're too young to retire. I was like, well, you know, I don't know. When you start seeing people of your age or younger, okay, passing away, and you're kind of like, wow, you know, I've never really done anything, and maybe it's time I get the heck out. So I did 34 years in the post office, so it's time to go do something else. So
A happy retirement.
hey, thanks. Appreciate that.
Glad I could get you out of the
Yeah,
house.
for all those who
Get him
knew
out
me
of, get him out of the recliner.
for for all those
Let's go.
who experienced my nervousness and everything on the route leading up to the retirement, I apologize. I was a ball of nerves, but now I was retired. It's like, okay, there's no going back, so you might as well quit your whimpering and get going. And that's one step in front of the other.
Hope you guys are enjoying the video. Help us out. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the like button. And
Yeah.
we'll just, hopefully this summer we'll get out and do a little more of this, more exploring of Pennsylvania. So.
Clarion trestle, really awesome feature to see. Something really unique about Pennsylvania. So, come and explore. It's kind of a good idea.